How's it going, good people? My name is Jared Ace and welcome back to Money Meditation. Today we are going to be having a look at the top 5 high-interest bank accounts in South Africa for 2023. But before we get started, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe down below and ring the bell to be notified when we upload more videos like today's video brought to you by Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is a research platform which gives investors access to some of the most advanced information, tools, and resources from one of the top investment information sources in the industry. Now, Seeking Alpha Premium usually sells for $240, but if you follow the link in the description down below, you can get access to all of their libraries, tools, and much more for as little as $99. You can also try Seeking Alpha for free. Have a look at the website, look at the tools that they offer you on the free site, play around with it, and see if you think upgrading to their paid packages will be beneficial for you. Before I show you the accounts, let's just have a little bit of a recap of what interest actually is. Interest is the amount that a financial institution pays you for you keeping your money in their accounts. Now let's have a look at the top 5 bank accounts in South Africa for 2023 for deposits from 1 to 1,000 Rand. Number 5 is actually a tie between the Standard Bank Pure Save and the African Bank Savings Pocket. Both have an interest rate of 4.5%. Now I know in the previous top 5 high interest rate bank account videos, I discounted African Bank completely. I also threw a little bit of shade at them, and they have proven recently that that was actually unwarranted, so I'm very sorry, African Bank. They come in at number 4/5. At number 3, we have the Mercantile Call Account at an interest rate of 6%. Mercantile was recently bought out by Capitec, so you can kind of think of Mercantile Bank as like the bougie Capitec. So yeah, at number 3, we have Mercantile Bank's Call Account. At number 2, the runner-up for 2023, we have a bank that so many people asked about when I uploaded the last video like this, and that is Time Bank. Now you might be surprised that Time Bank is only number 2, but that is because if you just have your money in your Time Bank Gold Save, you get 6% after 90 days. You do get an extra 1% if you give them 10 days notice, which is a really good option if you have the time. Now, you might be wondering why I'm not mentioning the possible 10%, and that's because you would need to transfer your salary to Time Bank, and that is outside the scope of this video. So just based on their base 6% interest rate, Time Bank is the runner-up at number 2, and that leaves us with the number 1, the best high-interest savings account in South Africa this year, and the number 1 spot goes to the FNB savings account at 6.05%. So if you have an extra 10 days to wait, Time Bank bumps them out the way and they become number 1. But just based on, I need my cash right now, thank you, man, wham, bam, thank you, man. FNB is the number 1, but like ever so slightly. It's 0.05%. It's like just. So yeah, that is the top 5 high-interest savings accounts in South Africa this year. But please remember that when you are looking for a savings account, the interest rate is not the only thing you should consider. You should also take into account the fees, the minimum deposit requirements, and how long you need to keep your funds with that bank. It's also important to remember that high-interest savings accounts and savings accounts in general are an important part of your total financial plan. But they are not and should not be your only plan. Also, never, ever have your tax-free savings account at a bank. We'll go into that in a separate video though. So, if you found this video helpful, if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and ring the bell to be notified when we upload new videos. You can also follow Money Meditation on Instagram and Twitter, where we are most active. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.